Okay, take a listen at this original audio.
All right, guys, check out this view. We are absolutely flying down the coast right now. The wind is crazy, but this is incredible.
Okay, that was just an AI video that I generated using the video model, and there is a background noise in this video. But if I click this mute button, you'll hear only the person talking. There is no background noise whatsoever. Take a listen.
All right, guys, check out this view. We are absolutely flying down the coast right now. The wind is crazy, but this is incredible.
Okay, so this content was processed by an audio model, AI model by Meta called AsapGuide. And surprisingly, this model is very good at isolating one audio over another within your video or audio content. For example, if you have a video of a podcast in a restaurant, you can easily ask AI to isolate the background noise. Perhaps you can remove the barking from the dogs, or perhaps the train sound. You can also remove the voice from one person in the video. That's something that's really cool. But anyway, let me show you how you can use this AI tool to isolate the audio within your audio files or video files. So first, let's navigate to Google and search for Meta segment anything playground. That's just the fastest way to access this tool, and then click this result. And you can log in with your Meta account. By the way, this tool is completely free. Okay, just open the tool, click try button, and then it will give you this interface. Navigate to isolate sounds, and after that you can upload the audio or video that you want to process. In this case, I have a video of two people talking together in a conversation. It is actually an AI video, and there are two people, the man and then the woman. And in this case, I want to just remove the voice from the woman in the video, so there's going to be just the man talking alone. It's really cool. Okay, just wait for the video to be uploaded. Okay, I think it is still being processed. I believe the video has been uploaded, but it's just still needs some processing. Okay, let me just play the video first, and then we can compare it later.
Where do rainbows go when they've been bad?
I don't know.
To the prism.
Okay, so that's the video. Now I'm going to tell AI to isolate the woman's voice and click isolate sound. So the best part about this AsapGuide model is that it's really fast. I think it is only 500 to 3 billion parameters, which is not very big, and it's very efficient. As you can see, now it has done isolating the audio from the video. So this is the isolated video. If I just leave it unmute, then you will only hear the woman's talking.
I don't know.
So something like that. But I'm going to do the opposite. Actually, I'll just keep the man talking, and then I'm going to mute the woman, and this is the result.
Where do rainbows go when they've been bad? To the prism.
Okay, so that last part is very interesting, because I noticed that one weakness of this AI tool, that if the two people, let's say the audio is overlapping with another, then there is a good chance that you might either not hearing it or perhaps hearing it, depending on your setting. So that laughing sound is actually now in the isolated sound. If I continue clicking this, you can hear that the two people are laughing. That's why it's not audible in this section. So that's one thing that I do notice. But overall, I would say it's doing quite a great job. Now, another tool that you can use here is you can apply some sound effect. So you can apply robotic voice. You can add some chipmunk voice. Let's add that. I'm going to click this audio, and let's add this effect. And this is the result.
Where do rainbows go when they've been bad? To the prism.
Yeah, something like that. So if you are quite satisfied with the result, you can click this download button, and you can download the version that you actually want. So I want to get the one with the only the woman, the man talking. There is no woman talking in the video, and I want to have the one that has the chipmunk audio effect. So I'll select this one without isolated sound. Click this and just wait for the file to be downloaded. And this is the result.
Where do rainbows go when they've been bad?
Okay, no woman's voice.
Prism.
There you go. So yeah, that's how you can use the some audio model from Meta to isolate anything from your audio or video files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.